Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this Tekken Smart Wi-Fi in-wall socket with 2 outlets and a USB port. So this is compatible with Alexa and Google Home, Google Assistant, whichever one you have. Alright, 12-month warranty. SR40 Wi-Fi smart wall socket. So this runs about $28 on Amazon, and I'll leave that link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Just trying to figure out how to open this thing. Okay. I will be also doing an install video, so when I'm done with that, I will leave the link in the description below. Here we have it, my friends. There it is. It looks nice. Nice white color here. We have the follow instructions and warning on the back there. So we got a nice metal frame here. This feels actually really solid, and a tough plastic housing for the plug there. So also has the little covers on the holes for the outlet, so when it's more difficult to shove things in there, so that's kind of a cool bonus as well. I'm not sure what these little arrows on the front are, maybe for programming with the Google Home. I'll address that when I do the review video and the setup video as well. So it comes with a couple screws, some wire connector caps, and least but not last, it comes with this cover here, and it's a nice looking cover there as well. So feels to be fairly sturdy plastic, nice rounded edges, and I think it's going to look pretty sleek when I get that all finished and done. So something kind of like that is give you an idea. So like I said, I will be doing a install video on this, and hopefully get that done for you guys soon to show you how to set it up with the link it to the Amazon Echo and the Google Home as well. So that might be several different videos or all together. So thanks for watching this unboxing. It also has, let's see, instructions in there as well, which is good. I will see you guys soon. You guys have a great day out there. Be safe, take care of one another, and we'll be back later.